All right, so we are starting off with our lemon pie filling in our 13 by 9 pan. Go ahead and get our spatula so we can get all of that delicious pie filling out. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious springtime dessert. So good. Let's spread our lemon pie filling from edge to edge, just like so. It smells incredible already. It's so potent and so tart, exactly what we want. Beautiful. Now we're gonna come in with our cheesecake no bake. I have to tell you guys, this is my favorite combo, lemon with cheesecake, and we are just adding scoops of cheesecake right on top of that lemon pie filling. Oh, I am drooling already. This is gonna be so good, and it's so quick, so easy. You can just throw it in the oven right before your guests get here and they'll be so happy to try it. This is a great dessert for Easter Day, for Mother's Day, whatever spring activities you guys have planned. This is a must try. Okay, let's add a few more extra scoops because we all know we love the cheesecake.
Smells phenomenal.
Right? Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and just kind of marble that cheesecake right into our lemon pie filling right in our pan. Get it nice and coated in that delicious cheesecake. Yummy. Now I'm coming in with my French vanilla cake mix. You guys could probably know what I'm making now. It is one of my favorite desserts, and I am just doing a lemon twist on it because lemon is just so perfect for spring. You cannot tell me otherwise, but you can use whatever cake mix you like. Now I'm gonna take my clean hands and we're just gonna go ahead and spread that cake mix from edge to edge. Make sure it's nice and flat on our pie filling and cheesecake. And I know some of you guys have asked me before, but yes, you can bake the no-bake cheesecake. It doesn't mess with the texture or anything like that. If anything, it just makes it nice and warm and gooey and delicious with that pie filling. Okay, that looks just about right. Now you guys know what's next, and that is our butter. All right, I cut my butter into thin slices just like so, and we're placing that right on top of the cake mix. You guys already know what to do. And we're gonna go back in with probably a half a stick more of our salted butter. So it's gonna be like 3/4 a cup of butter, which I think isn't too bad, especially since you're only gonna probably eat 1 square a person. Okay, finish this off just like so. And this baby is ready for the oven. Okay, my oven is set to 350 and it's gonna cook for 50 minutes. Okay, our dessert is almost ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to my freezer where I put my bowl and my whisks in there, and I have my hand mixer here, so we're gonna put our little frozen whisks on there, just like so. And we are gonna add our heavy whipping cream to our cold bowl. We're gonna add about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream right in there. I have some imitation vanilla. I usually like to use the real stuff, but this is all I had on hand. Add that to our whipping cream. And then of course, just a pinch of powdered sugar because we are making a quick whipped cream to top our lemon cheesecake dessert with. Oh, this is just gonna take it to the next level. All right, we're gonna turn this on and start whipping. All right, you guys, that looks absolutely beautiful. And this is ready for our lemon dessert. Oh my, this smells so decadent, you guys. I cannot wait to try it. Let's go ahead. I have a bowl here because that lemon pie filling isn't very solid. But let's go ahead and grab a scoop. The cheesecake, the lemon. Oh, right in there, you guys. Oh, need to go for 2 scoops. And then of course we cannot forget our homemade whipped cream. Nice and fluffy. Right on top. Talk about delicious. Oh my gosh. It's hot, but that is the best thing I've ever eaten.